I've lost 10 pounds in the last 4 weeks, and here's what I eat in a day. I always start my day off with water. I try to get about 3 of these in a day, and yes, I know where every bathroom is in this town about now. I mix up this protein shake. I've had it every single morning, and it never gets old. It's almond milk, spinach, chocolate protein, chia seeds, ice, cinnamon, blended up. It is so dang good, you guys. Yes, watch my face. You will see. Let's try it out. Yep, never gets old. I'm gonna keep drinking it. So then lunchtime, I get this Tyson's blackened chicken from Costco and I air fry it up. That is the only way to do this. It is that good. Oops, lost a carrot there. Sacrificed a carrot for this video, you guys. But don't worry, I still ate my carrots. And then it was snack time. Had some nuts outside with the boys. Dinner, mixed up veggies. I like to have a lot of veggies and some chicken sausage. It smelled and was very good. Added chili pepper flakes on top. And I finished my day with apples, cinnamon, and peanut butter.